Beat your team and hide the decks in case Oak's watching. See, Pika tends to pop out in Shock Trainer. Certified Pokemon, why they want him, it's a no-brainer. Walking out whole time, I know they think I'm no tamer. Disclaimer, I'm trying to catch them all in these containers. Seiji, I hear you steal them young. I bet not catch you at Safari Zone 1. To any trainer who got Pokemon they love, just make sure you hide your Pokeballs from them. They say you only pay me out the milk and hand-me-downs. James and Jesse moving messy and it shows now. I can't even name the others, why are they around? Certified Team Soft, certified blasting off. Pika, shock him up. Watch him do his stuff. Why you always robbing kids? Ain't you tired? Trying to catch them all just from robbing a minor. Pika? They not like us. 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 They not like us.
Okay, y'all, before I put my facial moisturizer on, we have reached the last step. Well, I look like I got a dent in my damn forehead. Oh, that's what a pimple was. We have reached the last step, okay? Now 9 times did I tell y'all to go to the extreme like I did and DIY cut and dye your hair? That's not what I said. Some of y'all go to the extreme anyway and get all these BBLs to revamp your womanhood, okay? I ain't tell you to do none of that, okay? But this is the argan oil treatment. You just snap the top. Why I thought this was glass. That's why I was making that face. Child, is plastic. Okay, just a very hard one. It's like a little pill capsule. Now that everything has been dyed, conditioner, and laid to the side. Now I know y'all gonna say, why she talking about lady with BBLs when she got this filter on? Baby, you never thought that I was gonna get to bed with a full face of makeup on after my nice fresh hot shower. No ma'am. Okay, my hair is still a little damp. The good thing about this, your hair dry fast and you can wash it fast. Okay, and that's just that one there. Now we ain't gonna fidget with it too much. I just wanna make sure I get all that herb up in there, cause you know, ooh, that's all that was though. So instead of LOC, it's gonna be OCL, child. But y'all don't need to see all of that, okay? Just know I followed all the steps on the box, minus the processing time, cause I already cut it down to a teaspoon. I ain't want it to be ball, okay? I am thinking about putting a little part right there though, and slick it to the other side. At work I had it this way. But yeah, I like it now. I ain't like it at first. I just need a little color. This patch is darker because, like I said, I wasn't trying to go heavy on that processing time, child. We already ain't got but a teaspoon up there, okay? Make it work. Make it do what it do, boo. And look how easy this thing glide through now. I might could actually use this like a demi brush when I put the curling product on you. But so far, all I did was, now that it's short and I got that color in there, I just rubbed my hand around it and it acts just like a sponge curler. And that's it. Good day, good night, goodbye, okay? And if you want to feel like a bald head hoe like me, no, I'm just like, good night.